So the first thing he wanted to do was get outfitted with some cool stuff from WeatherTech. And ordinarily, we save the WeatherTech install for the end of the show because that's easy. We wait until all the hard work's done. But today, it's a little bit different. So we have got the TechLiner on, which is basically like a drop-in liner for the bed, you know. And you talk about the install with the floor mats. They're all laser cut. You went to the factory and checked all that out. Well, the same principles hold true to the bed of the truck right there. It just lays in. It fits perfectly. It's got this little piece right here that covers the tailgate as well. I did one of these in my Tundra probably two and a half years ago. I love that thing. It works great.
Huh, I never got one for my truck.
You weren't here.
Hey, one of the new products they got from WeatherTech is the Kinetic rope. Now, this is going to be a godsend for him because, first of all, you know, if he gets his truck stuck when he's out camping or off on trails, he can pull himself out. Same thing can be said for his side-by-side. What makes it so great is the fact it's really light compared to what an actual steel chain would be or something with steel shackles. It's just as strong as steel, but 6 times lighter.
So obviously he camps, he takes the truck out, he uses the truck for what you are supposed to use a truck for. And the name of the game with that is good storage in the back of the truck. And this is the Cargo Tech Pro. Now this is pretty cool. We had this on not too long ago. It's a modular system that can really configure to any size square or rectangular shape that you want it to. You get the corner pieces like that, and you can get a 1x6 or a 1x4 because you can put these little red brackets down here if you want it lower or right up there. But it sits in there. Whether it's on one of these or not, it doesn't slide around. So you want gas cans, dog food, groceries, ropes, toolboxes, whatever.
Basically, the heavier stuff you got in it, the more secure it's going to be because it's going to use its own weight to kind of secure it to the back. And here's the key part is when you step on the gas or you slam on the brake, it's going to stay here instead of slamming into the bed of the truck.
Well, and I mean, the bed of this truck is long, right? So if, you hit the brakes and it's all up in there, you got to climb up in this thing.
Right.
You know, and that dude's not getting any younger, if I'm being honest. You know?
I mean, he might need to start taking care of himself.
We
He's
might
getting
need
up
to
there.
put like a lift in the back to kind of help him up. But this way, this can just be right here, and he can reach in there and get his Metamucil or whatever it is that he picked up at the store. So, all right, next thing we need to do is just go ahead and start getting this in quick, and then we can move on to the other stuff.
Yeah, we just got to fasten it down.
Like prunes are heavy. He buys a lot of prunes.
He does.
When we started this project a little bit earlier today, we started with some WeatherTech in the bed of the truck, and that went in nice and easy, and that's a good addition. We mentioned that we had some more for the cab of the truck as well. So we got them laid out here. We'll take a look at them, but I'm liking this, dude. It's the cup phone duo. Look at that. Like his and hers or, you know, whoever's.
It's like twice as good as the regular cup phone because there's 2 holders on either side.
Yep.
You know, one for you, one for your passenger. There's got, you know, a spot right here where you can put pens, pencils, you name it in between. So, and then you've got the cup phone sticky sleeve, which kind of goes around this thing and holds it in place so it doesn't spin around on you inside your cup holder. You know, the whole thing, it's about keeping the inside of your vehicle clean and organized and protected.
And hanging on to that resale value, and that's where these come in as well, too, because, you know, you get a messed up floor and you go to sell the truck later, that's a big deal.
You know, these are the HP floor liners, so they're like the highest end ones that WeatherTech offers. You know, it's a F350, it's an expensive truck, and when you're using this thing like you're supposed to, like he wants to, you're bringing Mother Nature inside that vehicle and getting dirty and nasty, so you want to protect it.
Last order of business is the seat protector, and it does exactly what it's called. It protects the seat, just another level of protection in there. And, you know, this is great because our friend's got a dog, right? You could have kids in the mix, or you could have some really irresponsible adult friends. We all have them, right? You know who you are. I'm not judging. But this is great for any of those. Like you said, it's machine washable.
Right, which is nice.
A big deal. So it's going to protect against any kind of, you know, liquids or leakage or even ripping. You don't want a torn up back seat, right, when you're going to sell it either. And this is going to protect it. So let's keep this truck nice and in shape for years to come.
Absolutely.
There we go.